Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today I'll be showing you how to find out the section ID on your Squarespace website. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you. But yeah guys, let's get straight to it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead to the official squarespace.com website and log into your account. After logging in guys, you'll be greeted by your dashboard right here where you can see all the websites that you have and own on your Squarespace account. So guys, you can see we currently have only one website called tutorials and we will be using this website for today's video. So guys, go ahead. The first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up your site by clicking the website right here in your dashboard. And now as you can see, this has opened up our site in the page. So guys, there is only one thing that you have to do to be able to find out the section IDs. You want to go ahead and download this add-on from the Chrome Web Store. This is the official Chrome Web Store and is very safe, and you want to find an add-on that will show you the Squarespace ID Finder. So go ahead and type in exactly this in the search bar and then go ahead and install it by clicking the blue install button here that will appear. So guys, after installing, it will automatically be added to Chrome and you can go back now to your page. So guys, when you're in this page, if you want to find out the section ID, all you have to do is go ahead and put your mouse right here in the upper right corner of Chrome where your extensions are. Go ahead and click on that and you can see there is an extension right here called Squarespace ID Finder. So guys, just go ahead and click on that. And now guys, you can see the IDs of everything on your website. And here it says the section data ID and you can see the ID. If you want to turn it off guys, just go back and click on the add-on again. And now guys, you can see it has turned off. So guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.